today we're going to do slime. We have mystery buckets, but they're not mystery. So we're doing a slime video. So let me grab it back from behind here. Ouch! Guess nothing happened. Okay, I have blues, oranges, and any kind of slime. See? I got some sand for my slime. I got some cool tools. And if you make your slime, you keep it forever. I got some they're not stickers, but they're things that you punch in your slime. Okay, so we choose a slime. We set this aside. In this bucket we have beads. This bucket we have a nice glitter. In this bucket we have small beads like this and some flakes. These are called flakes. Mix. We pour our hand in and mix it. Okay, and at the end you get to choose if you want to have some sand to make it a different color and some punch and sticker things. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's get started. Okay, what color slime do you want?
Purple.
Okay, what you want this kind of purple or you want blue or something? You want this one?
Yeah.
This color. I would probably go with light green. Show her. Show your slime color. This is her. On the back you can see it. Okay. Let's get started. Rock, paper, scissors, who goes first?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bam! I gotta go first. Okay, hold the bucket. Oh, I get put mixed in. I get put mixed beads in it. Okay, right then. Yep.
Grab.
It's like a mixed color, but it has different, more blue and stuff in it. You can choose from this one. Do you want this one or a different one?
A different one.
Okay. This one you get to choose from because this is the one that we pick up from. I put these ones over here. Plus some cake.
This one.
Woo! I love you! Okay. Mom, I got you. I got you. Oh, I got brown. You can pick one more color if you want. Oh, red. Okay, your turn. Okay, you want to pick one more color?
Pink.
You want to pick one more color? Yeah.
Ooh, purple.
Okay.
Oh, I got purple.
And I got brown and red. She got pink and purple, which are really good colors for slime. Last bucket. I got some. Oh, I already have something rainbow, so I can't pick this one. Oh, I got pink flakes. I got some flakes, but now I get to choose a little bit of beads. Clear. Okay, you're going to choose your beads. Do you want purple flakes or not?
No.
Okay, that means you don't get any flakes.
Why?
Or do you want to have a little bit of mine after?
I want that one.
Okay. You have to put your hand in and choose a bead. Or do you not want the tiny beads?
I want the tiny beads.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to start mixing.
I actually do want tiny beads.
Okay.
you.
Good choice.
Mom, I got 2 views and 2. Actually, 3 purples and 2 blues.
Awesome.
Ew,
pink.
let's open our slime and start mixing stuff in.
Can I
So-
have mine?
Yes, you can mix your stuff in now.
Mom, feel it.
It feels like soft, but gooey. It's slime that isn't made with glue. It's not made with glue. Okay, I'm going to have the container. No,
Mom, seafood.
if you're not going to use a container, can I use it for a little bit?
Why?
Because I'm going to mix these together in it, with my flakes, and then
You think
going
that
to-
was yours?
yeah, but I need 2 containers for it because I'm going to do 2 separate scenes.
No.
Okay, fine. I'll just do it myself. I'll push this in there.
No. Can I
I'm
put
putting a little
these?
bit of brown on.
Yep. Let me put these ones in first.
Okay, yours looks good. Can feel it. You can feel mine. What? You got grabbed!
You got mine.
Okay, help me open this one. Spread one. Pour a little bit of blondie. And that's good. Thank you.
Can you help me kiss it?
Hold it. Put a little bit of glitter. Oop. Some of white and some of brown. Hold it. Pour it. Guys, if you're making slime, what would you? If you choose some stuff for your slime, what would you choose? Now I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to mix the color, or maybe a little more brown though. Ooh! You put the flakes in, it's almost hard to see.
I'll put a bit more
I closed it too hard. Thank you. And right here. So you can actually see it. Whoa. Oh my. Mom, the table might get messy.
That's okay.
Oh no. Look how much glitter this is. You guys, this is so fun. Wow, that's a lot of flakes.
Yeah, they have to see it. Ew. Feels gooey. So,
Okay, look, I have messy hands, guys.
this thing give it everywhere.
Okay, that's done. Pour the extra on there.
Mom, the table's getting messy.
Okay.
Ooh, yummy. How do you?
That's nice. Can I feel it? You can feel mine. It's really glittery. Oh, that's nice and crispy.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to set these back in the bin. I'm going to start with the rainbow flakes. No, not flakes. Like, oops, rainbow beads. Beads. And you can decide how much you put in the beads, how much you put in. You put a little flakes.
But I'm going to pour it that much.
Ooh, so much. Yes, all this is going to fit in my slime. When we're done, we're going
See,
to ask you
guys?
something.
Do you like my slime? It's
Comment down below if you like our slimes.
Yep. and hope you like this video.
Whoa, my. Look at that stock. I should. Oh my.
Papa, do
Ew.
I get to keep this?
No. You don't get to keep the materials because I have more slime that I can make. You slime and Carter. If you guys heard, Lila and Carter are cousin. Whoa, I'm leaning everywhere. Yes. This is a strange
How
thing.
do I get to use all this?
No.
That was just good.
Yes.
Here.
You can this back.
You put this back.
You don't have the beads?
No.
Glitter?
No.
Okay.
I'll get those back when I'm done, okay?
Okay, guys. Well,
That's the
I can add extras, like anything I want from here now because I made my slime with the stuff that I
Here's
had.
a cute one. It fell, but can I have it? I put it in mine.
I'm gluing it. I'm gluing it away. Okay, guys, this is my finishing slime. Well, it's not finished though. This is how it looks.
Do you like my slime, guys? If you
But
did, then here.
Okay.
Okay. I'm almost
You want a
done.
little bit mixed? I'm going to have a little bit more mixed. Because that's okay.
I want to do bits, but not yet.
I got some big puff balls in mine. This is a nice challenge. Thank you for doing this with me.
That's good.
I want you using too much. Who wants some sand in there? Sandal time! Guys, if you're wondering, this is real sand. I don't know how they colored it. Maybe like. Doesn't have a smell. Guys, soon we're going to do another cool video, so stay tuned
Yeah, stay
for more
tuned.
epic videos.
Yep.
Ouch! I got pinched.
Mom, look. Do you like it?
Okay, the slime is starting to change color. By the sand.
because there are little stains up there.
Yeah. How about come and finish your slime? I'm going to put a little more so it looks not messy. Spread it and fold it in half.
And pour some tea.
If you guys couldn't understand me, I was saying spread it and fold it in half. See?
That's
It's starting to
good.
change color. Oh, yeah. After this, we really need to clean up. Sounds famous.
Wow, this table
Done?
is really messy. Nope.
Whoa. Okay, guys. Here's the finishing. I'm just going to add a little bit of the big balls. So I hope you like this video.
Yeah, hope you like this video.
Looks like I got some sand. Lovely. I forgot some sand. Wow, that's a lot. Here's pretty good. Look at mine. It's like clumpy and bumpy. Yeah.
Now I'm done.
Look at this. Like if you spread it, it sees the like real puffballs, and you can see the sand. You want to show them yours, Charlotte?
Yeah. I got mine. Mine is really.
The food choices?
Yeah.
Oh, yours is a lot better. Yours has a better texture.
Yeah. And yours doesn't. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Hope you liked this video.
No, not yet. I'm not done stretching.
You just said you were.
I'm not. Papa, I really like really big puffballs.
Charlotte, you want some sand and big puffballs?
Yeah.
Here, I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
How much?
Oh, yay.
That much?
Yeah. That's good.
I think maybe pour some puffballs because they come up really fast. Okay, cut this one like this. Make it in the middle. Like that much. Yeah. That's a little more than I did. If you guys would have slime, which one would you choose? Mine or Charlotte's?
Yeah, because
Comment down below.
yeah. Okay, I'm almost done mixing it,
Let me help you mix it faster.
but don't.
It won't really that much mix.
Why?
I don't know. But it looks beautiful still. Here. You want a little bit of the purple still. Okay, guys. Here's our slime.
Yeah, here's my slime.
Which slime did you like better? Comment down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye.
I hope you like this video. Bye.